Hello friends, welcome to my gardening channel. Today I am going to discuss regarding my beautiful plant, that is Euphorbia leucocephala. Right, it is pronounced in this way. It is also called snowflakes or Kilimanjaro snows of Kilimanjaro, Christmas flower, snow bush, and many names are there. Beautiful white flowers. It looks like leaves only, but leaves you can see below, there are green color leaves, right? I am going to repot it in a big pot because this I have got since more than 2-3 months from nursery, but I have not removed from the bag, right? Because exact process I wanted to know how to repot it. So now I am reporting in a scientific way, right? uh, so what I will do, I have prepared a mixture with an equal part of garden soil, sand, coco peat and compost or vermicompost, so each 25%, so that I will put in the pot of 10 inch. Then I will change the pot after 6 months or something when the plants grow, because this plant can grow in the soil up to 10 feet, but in the pots I have seen in nurseries it has gone up to 6-7 feet. So I am also trying to grow it in a big size. This beautiful flowers, white color, right, it gives a very nice fragrance, right? Very I can see not a strong fragrance, but very slow releasing fragrance you will find in your garden if you go nearby it. And its blooming season is around Christmas, that is in December, January, February. Still in February I am reporting this, so you can see flowers are still there, right? So the flowers stay for almost 2 to 3 months. This soil is of nursery, right, hard bounded, but on the top layer I have added coco peat, so the some moisture will be retained for some time. This plant require quite good sunlight, so I prefer that in morning sunlight is required. So put it inside. I'm not going to disturb the root system, right, because these all plants of winter, we should be very careful about the root system. That what I have found and experienced. Now I will add the mixture of the soil from the top. The soil which came from the nursery, I have not disturbed it, only top layer some portion I have removed, right, which came out easily. See, this soil, this plant require enough sunlight also, but only keep in the morning. Don't keep in Indian hot summer days outside, right? So Euphorbia leucocephala is a very beautiful plant. One should have this in the garden. It is not easily available in all nursery also, and it is very costly also. I got this around 200 rupees, right? But it was earlier very bushy, but all the flowers are coming out now as almost 2 months have passed. uh, in the remaining days of the year, you will find only the green leaves, which I will be showing later on after the reporting. Beautiful spindle like leaves are there, spindle shaped, right, pointed leaves are there. It then also it looks beautiful. See, I am adding water. Now the soil is so nice and well drained, even the holes I have made in the pot, the water will easily get absorbed by the soil. Due to the dark, I think, image I cannot show you, but I can see, I have seen that entire water will get vanished within few seconds, right? And what will happen, that this indicates that I have taken the best potting mixture. So it requires regular watering, but not muddy soil it required. See the beautiful flowers, they are so nicely giving fragrance, and it has many names as I have told you earlier. but it's basically it is found in the Mexico and South American countries, right? So Central America also, and it's wonderful plant. In Christmas you will find in all foreign countries, US, UK, right? They grow nowadays in India also. It is available at many places, but people are less aware of it. So and in fertilizer I add vermicompost only, and NPK 19 I dissolve half spoon in 1 liter and add 100 ml in this in 15 days once, when it is growing, that in those days. And see how beautiful it looks, right? When I put in a background of the lawn or greenery, it looks so beautiful, white color flowers, and that also long lasting. There are hardly some flowers which last for more than 1 month. This is my passion flowers. You can see red color. Passion flower are also beautiful if you see it. See, in a small plant only so many flowers are coming daily. That also video soon I will upload, friends. Please subscribe my channel so you will get all updated information of different plants. I will also put the Hindi version of this channel. So any suggestions, anything you would like to tell me, please put in the comments. And if you like my video, please subscribe it and share my video to your friends, so I will get motivated regularly. Thank you, friends, for watching my video.